To change the currency on Kayak, first ensure you have access to the platform, either through the app or by visiting the website via your browser at www.kayak.com. Upon landing on the homepage, you will see various options on the left side of the screen. Just below the Kayak logo, these options include flights, stays, cars, and more, as well as settings for language and currency. The currency is typically set to a standard option, such as the US dollar. To change it, simply click on the currency option, where you can select from a variety of currencies, including the euro, Canadian dollar, British pound, Australian dollar, and many others. Once you've made your selection, you're all set, and the process is complete. Changing your currency on Kayak is a straightforward process that can be easily done in just a few steps.